Hello and welcome to Crypto Weeklies. In this video, we are going to analyze Mantle and its token MNT. None of the content is financial advice. Let's get started. The price of Mantle right now is rallying quite a bit. It's at around $1.68 from the 2025 July lows of about 57 cents to now at almost 3.5x. The price has moved within the span of 2 to 3 months. This represents a regression based fair value increase from that point from 78 cents. Now the fair value is at around $1.18. If we were to look at how the price is reacting with respect to the regression based fair value, the risk levels back in July, on July, between early week of late June, early July, from June 30th till July 11, the risk level were less than 10% essentially. Now the risk levels have rose to about 0.76. In terms of the 2 standard deviation line, it did hit that euphoria overvaluation territory back in September, close to that September 10th, when the price came really close to the dotted line. It has not quite crossed the dotted line yet, as it did back in December 2024 or March April 2024 as well. So that remains to be seen. If there is a breakout, that would be an area of mild to severe caution, as historically speaking, only a few days to weeks are spent above this dotted red line before the price does eventually come cooling down from the top of the channel to essentially bottom of the channel, which is represented by this 1 standard deviation residual to the downside drawn from the regression based fair value. This regression based model is derived from the polynomial regression function with 4 degrees of freedom applied to the daily price of Mantle. That means, long story short, right now, if the further upside per this model is between the current price and up until $2.18 before there is a cool off as it relates to the regression based fair value. Also, if we look at the current market, the wider crypto market, Mantle is the second most trailing crypto over the last 24 hours, up by about 7%. Over the last 7 days is up by about 41%. Market cap above 5.4 billion. Tokenomics, not ideal, but not too bad. 52% of the max supply is in circulation. Healthy volume as well. Ranked number 28th. 28th by market cap. Has bid down migration one-on-one on Mantle. The as we look at this chart from price versus market cap divergence, you can see that this is the price chart. Market cap chart essentially one and the same, but if you zoom in over the last 1 year, the price did have two instances below the 60 cents level, whereas market cap also again essentially pulling at a higher much higher market cap than in today than in early 2025, that is in January 2025, whereas the price is also slightly higher. So both prices and market cap are moving hand in hand, which is a good sign. Again, not financial advice. Again, coming back to the 20-week simple moving average for Mantle and how the price is reacting to the 20-week simple moving average risk. This risk has elevated quite a bit. That is because the price has moved to further to the upside from the 20-week simple moving average, like it did back in December 2024, when the time where the 20-week simple moving average price based risk was more than 0.9. Now it's coming at around 0.95. That means per this model, quite limited upside at this point before a cool off for Mantle. Again, that's just the result of its move in the recent week in terms of the positive seasonality, and also the time weighted average price. Again, this model did identify a great accumulation zone back in May June territory. We made a video related to Mantle back then when the price was somewhere over here in late July, early August, at around 85 cents. Now the price has essentially 2x from that level. So if you want to stay updated on this time weighted average price based journey of undervaluation, overvaluation, as well as risk and regression based analysis of cryptos, please give a like and subscribe. All in all, again, the estimated bull run peak for Mantle as it relates to the overall risks as they stand today. The weighted risk has gone to 0.83 as elevated regression based risk, the time weighted average price risk, and the SMA risk both in 0.9s. Estimated bull run peak in the short term is at around $2 before a cool off. With that, I'd like to conclude the video. Hope you enjoyed the content. If you did, please give a like and subscribe, and hope to see you again tomorrow. Thank you and have a nice day. Bye bye.